Hi guys, welcome back to TwoExtraness. If you guys are new to our channel, hello, how are you? My name is Miss Blia, also known as Ciate. Kaozer and I just want to hop on here and wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving. I know it's been a while since we posted, but we want to wish you and your family a happy and safe Thanksgiving as well as Merry Christmas. Anyways, today's video is just going to be a very quick tutorial on how to achieve these fluffy eyebrows. And so this is an updated tutorial from my past one that I have posted. This is my go-to eyebrows now that I do. And it's very quick and easy. All you need is about 7 products. I know that sounds a lot, but I will list the products in the description box below for your convenience. And most of the products that I use, just a little disclaimer, they are not sponsoring me to do this. These are just products that I've learned to just use and love. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve these fluffy eyebrows, stay tuned, babes. So first off, you want to start off with a fresh and positive attitude. Go ahead and grab your translucent soap. I got this from the Dollar Tree. It is the Pears translucent soap. And then next, you want to grab your spoolie of your choice. And then what you want to do is grab your setting spray of your choice. This is from Ciate Everyday Spray. You just want to do at least 1 or 2 sprays on there, okay? And now you want to grab your spoolie and you want to move it in a back to front motion. And now next, what you want to do is you want to basically comb out your eyebrows. So if you can see here, my eyebrows are very thin and it's not very voluminous. If that's a word, voluminous, whatever. Anyways, moving on with my life, you want to go ahead and comb it in an up motion like so. And so I go ahead and I just continue brushing my eyebrows out, and look at the difference. Bomb, right? So now I'm just continuing to shape my eyebrows the way I want it in just the same steps. Soap and brush it, soap and brush it. So then I had to switch out my spoolie because my spoolie broke. Thank God that I had another set. Anyways, moving on with my life again. What a day. Here I'm still shaping my eyebrows. I am brushing it towards the outside so that my eyebrows don't look like I got electrocuted, okay? And next, what you want to do is go ahead and grab your favorite primer of your choice. I'm using the Morphe translucent primer and I'm just going over it on my eyebrows, and I'm brushing my eyebrows once again and reshaping it to ensure that it stays in place. And next, what you want to do is just grab your eyebrow pencil of your choice. I'm using the E.L.F Ultra Brow Pencil and I'm just filling in my eyebrows. Here's a quick tip on how to achieve the perfect arch for your eyebrows. So normally I will start off by measuring my eyebrows like so. I measure it by the end of my nose, and that's where I know that my eyebrow will start. And then I tilt my eyebrow pencil to like a 45-degree angle, and that's when I know that my arch will start. And then of course, you're gonna measure it to the 90-degree angle, and that's when you know where your eyebrow should stop. And don't quote me on my angles, but that is what I remember. Anyways, there you go. Now that I have my eyebrows outlined, what you want to do next is go ahead and fill it in like so. You want to use, I would say, like a soft hand, if that makes sense, instead of using too much pressure on the pencil, because you want to build and build, okay? And now that I have the eyebrow shape that I wanted, I'm just going in and brushing the beginning of my eyebrows to give it a more natural look. Even though it's not really natural, but this is my take, okay guys? And shout out to my sister, PrettyLittleCraftShop, for gifting me this brush set. It comes with this angle brush that has beautiful, beautiful glitter in there. And this is my first time using it, so I'm super impressed by how soft it is, and it's just amazing. And now what I'm doing here is I'm just using the angle brush and my concealer of my choice, and I'm just redefining the eyebrow so that it gives it a more pop look, or it gives it, you know, like it's just bang, like here I am, here's my eyebrows. And so I'm just going over it, and I do like to use my finger to blend out the concealer so it doesn't look, you know, patchy. Okay guys, the secret here is to blend, 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 and I cannot say it enough. Do you guys see the difference on these eyebrows? I'm so in love with this technique. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eyebrow, and I'll show you guys the final results. Bye. Thank you so much for tuning in with TwoExtraness today. If you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And as always, stay extra. Merry Christmas, you guys. Bye.